squid swims gracefully through the ocean, its tentacles trailing behind. With its mesmerizing colors and patterns, the squid blends seamlessly with its surroundings. Using its powerful jet propulsion, the squid propels itself forward with incredible speed. The squid's large eyes provide excellent vision, allowing it to spot prey from a distance. As a master of disguise, the squid can change its skin color and texture to match its environment. When threatened, the squid releases a cloud of ink to confuse its predators and make a quick escape. The squid's tentacles are lined with suckers that help it capture and hold on to its prey. With its beak-like mouth, the squid tears apart its food into smaller pieces for easier consumption. The squid is a fascinating creature that continues to captivate scientists and marine enthusiasts alike. Next time you encounter a squid, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and remarkable adaptations.